The game of life and how to play. Conclusion. Life is a game, and we are all players with the power to create our reality through our thoughts and beliefs. By understanding the laws of the universe, we can align our thoughts with our desires and manifest them into our reality. It is important to have a clear vision of what we want and to believe in our ability to achieve it. We must also be willing to let go of negative thoughts and emotions and replace them with positive ones that support our goals. With persistence, determination, and faith, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve our dreams. Remember, you are the captain of your ship and the master of your fate. Take control of your thoughts, and you will take control of your life. Play the game of life with joy, passion, and purpose, and will discover the true power of your mind to create the life you desire.